and we'll come now to Danilo Petrucci. Danilo, James on Instagram has asked you, other than racing, what is the coolest part of being a MotoGP rider? Other than racing.
Maybe the fact that you are a MotoGP rider, so I don't know, but at least I don't know, because a MotoGP rider go on the bike only, I think, the 3-4% of his time. So
what are you doing with the other 97% of your time?
This, for example, talking to journalists.
Okay. You like it?
No.
No?
No.
But they asked you
no.
about your favourite part.
Favorite part? Maybe because I don't know. Maybe because a lot of girls likes a lot of riders. I don't know, like the rider.
I feel that's what Andrea Iannone was thinking as well.
No, maybe I have training, because you can have training with motocross, with enduro, with a lot of things. But even because a lot of girls likes motorbike riders.
Okay, thank you. Aleix, we'll come to you next.
The last things I was watching is like more a documentary on how the pyramid was built. Not really, because there are so many theories, and the last one was pretty interesting. So I would say to watch this last theory on.
Who is the rider Franco Morbidelli is patting on the backside?
Myself. The second one I wrote the one I wish it was.
Megan Fox.
Yeah, but I said the one I wish it was.
How do you spell that Austrian race?
Styria.
They don't like you calling it that, do they?
I didn't know how to write, but I was embarrassed to ask.
What's your top race of the year?
Styrian GP. For obvious reasons.
Valencia won, because Johan won the race, and I think he deserved to win a race this year.
Cal's the only one who's looked at other races.
Yeah, I'm not looking at my own, am I?
You haven't got that many to look at. It wasn't a real overtake, but Rins Leman, I don't understand how he could stop the bike in that break on the wet.
It was more of a surprise for everyone else, and I put that me and Dovi won't race next season.
Sunglass, yes, for sure, on the wheel, and computer, and the most important, condom. Yes, it's a classic, no?
Well, they do say always be prepared.
It's the best one.
Well, you definitely took your Boy Scout code
No,
to
just
heart.
one, just one.
Just one, okay. Good to know.
For safety.
Better to be safe than sorry. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. That's all from social media questions.
Sunglass, yes, for sure, on the wheel, and computer, and the most important, condom. Yes, it's a classic, no?
Well, they do say always be prepared.
It's the best one.
Well, you definitely took your Boy Scout code
No,
to
just
heart.
one, just one.
Just one, okay. Good to know.
For safety.
Better to be safe than sorry. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. That's all from social media questions.